Our world is changing at an unprecedented rate as a result of climate change. The frequency and severity of droughts, temperature extremes, soil salinization are all increasing. We've developed a new strategy for mitigating the impacts of climate change on agricultural and natural ecosystems. We have discovered that symbiotic fungi living inside plants can be used to make plants tolerant of drought, temperature extremes, and high salinity levels. But key elements of this strategy require significant data gathering and analysis, and the research groups can't do it alone. The bottom line is we're running out of time. To address this issue, researchers and educators are teaming up across the country to bring symbiosis science into the classroom with the intent of providing students real-world research experiences and to recruit an army of citizen scientists. We know that, for example, there are no real and true individuals out there with regard to plants or animals. All plants and animals are symbiotic with microorganisms.
There's many teachers that need and are looking for practical ways of getting students to be in contact with nature.
We are hoping for schools across the nation to be involved in a project like this.
Plants do not appear to adapt themselves to these stressful environments. They have fungi inside them that adapt them to those environments. Right? So the endophytes have a tremendous influence and a very rapid influence on the growth and development of plants. And I'm going to show you a couple time-lapse videos to try to bring home that message. The symbiotic plants now still don't put a lot of energy into the shoot system until you get these little nubbins of root hairs coming out. Once that starts, then they put their shoots up quite a bit. Now, the non-symbiotic plants put virtually all of their energy into their shoots. And they don't put hardly any into their root system. So let's think about what the most important thing for a plant is when it's germinating in any field condition, and that's for it to get its root system.
I think students will find this very interesting. First of all, just from the information point of knowing that there are organisms living on organisms.
Yeah, I like the dealie where we take the plants, dig them up, bleach the heck out of them.
Yeah, I know.
Cut them up, put them on those things, and out comes the fungus.
I think coming here and seeing how simple a lot of the techniques are makes me think that my high school students should be able to do a lot of this.
The field work that we did in the first day, that could definitely be part of my classes.
The class has been wonderful. It's actually tied up a lot of loose ends.
I love finding that stuff in the plants that just blew my mind. I mean, how much of this is in there?
I'm pretty excited about having something real life and tangible for kids to do.
I love this class. It should be offered more often.
Symbiosis is really an important concept, a fundamental truth.
You could teach a lot of stuff through symbiosis if you wanted to. Mm-hmm. You know, it incorporates every aspect of biology.
I think this could be another one of those gotcha kind of activities.
Oh look, there's love involved.
I'm sorry that that worked out.
Show enough. Show enough.